Helly, what are you doing? Well, this is a lightning rod. It's a stick that protects you from lightning. How can one little stick protect you from that? If you put this on top of a building, the lightning comes down to the metal and stops so it doesn't hit you instead.
Is lightning really, really strong?
Incredibly strong. It can start fires and even break boulders in half.
Whoa!
Crash, rumble, come down from the sky and explode!
Do you guys know by any chance how lightning is made?
Yeah, I know. It's when clouds go boom when they all crash together in the sky. It's the same thing as when we smash our heads on something and then we see stars in our eyes.
No way. I heard that lightning only happens as punishment for doing bad things and it strikes the bad person down.
You're both totally wrong. You see, I know that lightning happens when sky giants do battle. Their spears are made of the lightning, and when they throw them at shields, that's where the big boom sound comes from.
What? That's crazy.
It's not crazy. It's 100% true.
You don't really know that. I bet you've never even seen lightning up close.
What? Fine. Then how about tomorrow, when the storm comes, we see some up close. Then we can see whose story about lightning is really true.
You want to see lightning up close? But how?
We'll go up to Galaxy Hill. Since it's the highest point in the whole town, we'll be able to see where the lightning comes from.
Okay.
Jin, are you sure it's safe enough? I'm sure he'll be fine. Right. Now I'm going to insert the chip. What are you guys so worried about? You all know that I always put safety first. Poli, are you ready?
Yep.
Try turning on your defense shield.
Defense shield, go!
Wow, amazing! That's perfect. Now to just test a little spark.
You okay, Poli? Wow, guys, that was really something else. The lightning was striking, but I couldn't feel it.
Whew, looks like my work is half done.
Only half done? You mean this protection chip isn't ready yet?
Yeah, I don't know how long the shield can withstand strong electricity, so it still needs some more tests.
What?
But let's just hope tomorrow's weather isn't as bad as we think.
Oh no! Minnie! Benny!
Brody, help us! We can't get out of the cave!
I'm afraid the storm might actually be worse than what we had predicted.
Yeah,
I just hope everyone in the town is staying safe.
I know. Huh? Yes, rescue team headquarters.
Help us! We have a problem!
What's going on, Rhodey?
We came to Galaxy Hill, but Minnie and Benny got trapped inside a cave when lightning hit. Ah! And the lightning is everywhere! Please, I'm really scared.
Hang tight, Rhodey. The rescue team will be on their way. Get yourself to the lowest place you can and make sure you don't stand under a tree. You got that?
Yeah.
Defense shield, go! Right. It's on!
All the lightning is being pulled toward Poli!
Yeah, let's go, Amber!
Oh, I'm scared, Minnie.
Me too.
It's the rescue team. We'll get you out as soon as we can.
It's dangerous, so stay away from the entrance!
Okay.
Hurry up! The defense shield is getting weak.
Hang on! Come on out!
Okay. Oh! Now follow us.
Poli, everyone's safe!
Got it, Roy.
What? You came all the way out here to figure out where lightning comes from?
Yes.
To put it simply, how about I explain it to you? Air particles and clouds sometimes have different charges, and during a storm they can bump into each other, which creates a big spark of electricity, and it makes a big thundering sound.
You see? I knew I was right.
What do you mean you were right? Your idea was way off.
No.
Ugh, stop fighting. It doesn't matter now that we found out the real explanation.
That's right. Well, looks like the storm is cleared up, so we better get you guys home. Your parents would be worried sick if they knew what you'd been through today.
No, you're right. I gotta hurry home. When my my dad's mad. He's way scarier than a storm could ever
My
be.
dad, too. My goodness! The reservoir's completely dried up. You can see all the way to the bottom. There's not even a drop.
Dried up? Now that you mention, it does seem like the crops are drier than usual. Tracky, do you know how long it's been like this?
A few days or so? There hasn't been any rain for a long while. But what can I do if the ground's so dry? If we don't get them water soon, all my crops are bound to wither away.
Don't worry. I'm sure there's a way to fix it.
He's right, and for the moment, we'll give you all the water we can.
Well, thank you, Roy. Poor little plants, I know you're thirsty, and I'm sorry.
Tracky!
Oh,
Your package of seeds is here.
good to see you, Posty.
Huh? Oh, goodness! All your fields have dried up. I didn't realize the drought was all this bad.
And at this rate, every crop in the farm will be gone by the end of the day.
Wait, Tracky, don't cry. There must be something we can do. Let me think. Hey, you guys! We need help!
What's up?
I was just at Tracky's farm, and it's real bad.
Tracky's crops are almost dried up, is that true?
That's what I heard. Posty told us and he saw it with his very own eyes.
Then now it seems that Tracky is losing all hope that his crops will survive.
Well, I understand. Tracky's been working so hard to care for that farm.
Just a little more. Please, little plants, hold on. Huh? Ah! Don't shut down now! No! My crops!
Looks like we've run out of our supply. Holy, what's going on over there?
We're filling up the last of it now. Helly, are you almost done?
It's all in. Amber, try turning on the pump.
I got it. Huh, that's strange. You guys, come take a look.
What's wrong, Amber?
It's not enough. We can't even turn the pump on.
What do we do? This is all the water we've got.
Oh no! There's no way we can give up!
Isn't there anywhere else we can get it from?
Since the reservoir dried up, there aren't any other sources of water nearby.
My beautiful crop! I worked so hard to make you grow!
Tracky, no! We're not giving up yet, no way!
Tracky! We brought you our water! Hold on! Wait for me!
Everybody, what's going on?
We had all heard about Tracky's crop situation and wanted to lend him a hand.
There's no way we can use up our own water when we know that Tracky needs it way more.
That's right.
Oh, everybody, thank you so much!
All right, now that everybody's here to help us, let's give it one more try.
Yeah!
I got one! Everyone!
Thanks.
Looks like it's full. Tracky, let's try turning the pump on.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh, it's working!
That's awesome!
water's
Oh,
awesome.
yay!
All right. Look at that.
Wow, Tracky, check it out. The plants are looking good as new.
Oh, isn't it great? My crops are coming back to life!
Wow! That fish sure looks a lot like Max. Of course, he's my brother. His name is Mini Max.
Mini Max? Now that's a really great name.
You sound really excited about your new fish. I sure am. That's why I can't play ball with you today. I have to take care of him. All right then, we'll leave you to it. Have a great day, Max. Let's go.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Mini Max, it's all about you and me. Wow, you're so cute. Huh? Mini Max, isn't swimming around in circles making you bored? Because I sure am.
Max, hurry! Come outside!
What's going on? What? You're going camping? That's right. We ran into camp, and he invited us to join him in the forest. Then he's going to show us the pictures from his trip. And after, he's going to play ukulele.
We're having a campfire and everything. Isn't that great? You have to come.
Well, but if I go, who will take care of Mini Max? I still have to feed him dinner. It won't take the whole night. You'll be back. You think it will be okay?
Of course. Everything will be fine.
Hello there.
Are we all here?
I wasn't sure about coming, but now I'm really glad that I did. I'm having so much fun. Thanks for inviting me, Camp.
Glad you're having fun. You're so very welcome.
Let's unpack our stuff, and then we can really start camping.
Yes! Hooray! Camping! Yay!
Helly, did you feel that tremor?
Yes, it's an earthquake.
That's what I thought, too. Roy and Polly are checking out the situation downtown. You should pack up the campsite immediately and move everyone to a safe area.
Got it, Jen. You hear that?
Yes!
The earthquake could start again at any moment, so we'd better get to shelter fast.
All right, let's go.
Now everyone follow me.
Hello? Are you in there? Guide? Where did everybody go? Oh, no! The water is leaking! There! Huh? It's not opening!
Oh, I'm scared! Mini Max! The door isn't opening.
That's not good.
Help! Is anybody out there?
Mr. Builder!
Helly, go in.
Okay.
Oh, poor Mini Max. Please be safe.
Mr. Builder!
Mr. Builder, are you okay?
Don't worry, I'm fine.
But the fish isn't doing well.
He's not moving. Oh, poor Mini Max, no.
Wait a minute. Let me pour some water on him.
Poor Mini Max. He's still not moving. What do we do now? Or Minnie Max.
He just moved! I saw it!
What? Are you sure?
She's absolutely right. Look, Max.
Minnie Max is okay. He's alive.